can you offer more deals on Token Metrics pricing? For normal people, the investor and professional plans are unrealistic. Well, I would say then you got to start making money, right? We have the Token Metrics scholarship program where you can refer people to Token Metrics as an affiliate, and you basically get paid to then join Token Metrics, right? So I would say join our affiliate program or just search Token Metrics scholarship program. Let me pull that up actually. We haven't talked about this before. I mean, in a while. So no excuses, right? Just search Token Metrics scholarship. This will give you a free account, right? So if you refer 10 people, we'll give you a free annual plan for the investor plan. And if you refer 50 people, we'll get you the pro plan free for 1 year. Plus, you also earn the 40% commission. It's a win-win. Or if you want to do hodler, so basically, if you want to put into work, we'll put you on.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.